The hook is the part of the song that people remember long after the music stops. If your hook fails, your song fails. Period. Welcome back to XMP Artist Academy. In modern music, the hook is often the most important part of the entire song. It's what listeners repeat and remember. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on why hit hooks work and how you can apply these same techniques to your own music immediately. Point 1. Keep it simple. Many artists make the mistake of overwriting their hooks, filling them with too many words and complex rhythms. If your listener can't sing along after 2 listens, it's too complicated. The best hooks use short, punchy phrases that are easy to understand. Real studio insight. Use phrases that are easy to repeat. Simplicity allows the brain to lock into the track and stay there. Catchiness is about clarity. Point 2. Prioritize melody. Even with simple lyrics, a strong, soaring melody can make a hook unforgettable. It's the earworm that gets stuck. Experiment with different vocal melodies before you commit to your final lyrics. Sometimes the best melody is the one you hum without even thinking. Engineers know that a great melody can save average lyrics, but great lyrics can't save a boring melody. Focus on the vibe of the notes first. Point 3. Capture the main emotion. The hook should be the emotional peak of the song. It should reflect the mood clearly and powerfully. Whether the song is aggressive, energetic, or soulful, the hook must embody that feeling. If the hook doesn't feel right, the rest of the song won't either. Point 4. Strategic repetition. Repetition is not a sign of laziness. It's a tool for memorability. Repeating key phrases helps ground the listener. When you repeat a strong melody and a simple phrase, you create a pattern that the listener's brain naturally wants to follow and join in on. When your hook is strong, building the rest of the song becomes effortless. It becomes the foundation that everything else rests on. Here are your actionable tips. First, keep it simple. Limit your hook to 2 or 3 memorable lines. Second, hum it first to find the best melody. Third, don't be afraid to repeat. If it's catchy, say it again. And fourth, make sure it feels right before you move on to the verses. In summary, focus on simplicity, melody, emotion, and repetition. These are the elements that turn a basic idea into a hit song. If you focus on these fundamentals, your songwriting will immediately reach a professional level. Keep crafting and keep improving. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for more exclusive guides. Improve your songwriting, improve your career. I'll see you in video 4.